Alright guys, so welcome back. So what we discovered here in this is that once I remove the body, this goes in there like that. I don't know what does, but it is an extra lead for the battery. Maybe you can charge the battery in different chargers, one like this and one like this, I don't know. But that doesn't really make a huge difference to me. What does make a difference is that this has better tires, it has better steering that is actually been tested and set up properly at the factory. So when I received it, it was ready to run. This one, on the other hand, from Kyosho, and I'm very disappointed because usually Kyosho does amazing stuff. Look at the steering. I had to steer it all the way left because it kept going right. This does not have proper suspension in the back, and this could snap eventually, so that's something to worry about. This has some travel, but they're not very good suspensions when compared to these. Again, so it felt like on this particular model, Kyosho spent more time on making it nice to look at, you know, with the licensed Toyota look and all that good stuff, but didn't do a whole lot of work on the actual electronics of the vehicle, which is why this one is way faster. This one has like better everything pretty much, and the remote is also like a hobby grade style remote, whilst this thing here, I like it that it's small and it fits well in your hand and all that good stuff, but it does not respond very well. So it's not very responsive, and it just kind of feels a little bit cheap. It did come with some cones, and that's cool. It does have this little thing for the steering. It does have proportional steering, and so does this one. So a lot of similarities, but it felt like they spent more time, you know, on making things look good, like the box, stuff like that, rather than put all the time and effort into making it an actual good quality vehicle overall. And so it feels like this is going to be more like something that I put on a shelf and I look at it and I'm like, oh my gosh, that's so cool, but I may not run it that much. And this, on the other hand, is something that I'm going to definitely be running around. Although, again, I'm disappointed that both vehicles did not come with drift tires, which is kind of why I bought them to begin with. So it feels like I should be sending them straight back to the factory, but I'm going to end up keeping them because they are cool in their own way. Especially, I mean, this I'm just going to keep just to look at it. It is beautiful. But this one, I'm going to be ripping it around, and maybe I will buy some drift tires for it so that I can actually do drifting. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. This was my review and comparison on these two. You guys saw all the unboxing and all that stuff. Way easier to unbox this one, the Wltoys drift car, than it was this one. So, yep. See you in the next one.